Hello, I thought I'd do a quick video. I've come across a really good tool, which I think will be handy for a lot of people. Right, so I have two devices here. One's an iPad mini 6, and as you can see on the bottom it has a USB-C port. And this is an iPhone, which has the Lightning port, which is the older style iPhone port. There's a cheap method of measuring inside the port, the lines inside. You can use these balls. They're relatively cheap. They're about £1. So yeah, you plug them in the bottom. You have one for Lightning and one for USB-C. And these pins here you can measure, and they will measure the lines inside the iPad. So yeah, that's one method of doing it. But obviously that's very time consuming. And another method is the TriStar tester for the Lightning port. You plug it in the bottom here, and this is a quick method of testing. So you click it, it tests the port, okay, and it's passed. Tested the TriStar. That's a great method of quickly testing a device without taking it apart. But unfortunately, USB-C, you're left with just that other method, but this is Lightning only. So yeah, so I come across this new tool, which I think will be handy for a load of people. It's the Mechanic port tester. It's called the T-824, and it tests Lightning 8-pin and USB-C Type-C, sorry, 24 port pin, sorry. Right, so I'll do a quick unboxing and a quick test, show you what it looks like. This is the device itself. It is a lot thicker than I thought it would be. It's got a USB-C port on the side for charging it up. And on this side it's got on and off in the middle, and refresh down and refresh up. I think they correspond to the USB-C and the Lightning, refreshing the screen. So it's one tap to turn it on. As you can see, it's got a really nice screen on it, nice colour screen, clearly displayed. Some of it is in Chinese, I've noticed, but a lot of it's in English. And you hold it in to turn it off. So it's pretty simple. Right, so I'm going to test the iPad now, for the first time. So one tap turns it on, and it automatically goes into testing mode. Yeah, and it's measured all 24 pins, and it gives you the values of each pin. This is good if you have the known good values. You can also refresh it, so it tests it again while it's pushing it down. So there you go, it's testing it again. Yeah, and they're the same values as before. So yeah, that tests every single pin inside, all 24 pins, and it gives you the value. But it would be handy to know the good values beforehand, I reckon. Right, so here's the iPhone. I'm just showing you it on the Lightning side now. So I do a quick test. Yeah, and it's tested all 8 pins. And they've given you the value of each pin, and the same thing, you swipe down and it refreshes it, so it retests it when you swipe down. So yeah, it's a great little tool. Also, you can test other devices. It isn't just iPhones, iPads. You can test Nintendo Switches, laptops, anything with USB-C, because it's quite a universal port. Loads of devices have it. So yeah, this will be really handy for a lot of people. And as you can see, on the Nintendo Switch it's tested all 24 pins. And it's giving you the values. So if you know the good values and compare, you can be able to tell which line's bad. So yeah, great little tool. Yeah, I highly recommend this. If you ain't got one, I would highly recommend getting one. It's called the Model T824, and it's made by a Mechanic. It's not even that expensive either. I got it for about £27 shipped. So yeah, highly recommended. Yeah, I hope this helps someone out. Hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to watch more. Thanks.